tell you how excited I am about this week being back here, because these groups who are here today, they didn't get to come to South Africa when they were working with the NGOs on their projects. So now, finally, they have the chance to really get insights into the culture and the context that it's just impossible to get over Zoom. They will meet fascinating people, they'll have brilliant excursions, they'll have experiences from all different perspectives.
I work with Quadpara Western Cape, and I'm really excited to finally meeting them.
At last, we finally get to meet them. It feels like they're part of the family. To actually see them face to face and be able to spend some time with them. I think I'm really looking forward to showing them some of the people who they interact with via Zoom.
They never really got to experience what the homes are like. They couldn't speak directly to the foster moms and meet the children, and I think that's where the real gold of the work is.
We've been at the Home from Home headquarters to start with, visited them, met the staff and heard their impressions of our project, and especially if they've been able to use some of it. We went to the townships to visit some of the foster homes, seeing the staff there. It's quite humbling for us from our privileged Western life to see how they live, but also how they can make it really work for their children. So it's been a fantastic day and a really great experience.
I'm so happy to be here in South Africa. It's one of the most beautiful countries I was dreaming since child to came here because of the history and also because of this background that spread worldwide in the 90s about those people who fight for equal rights. And it impacted me. I'm studying MBA. Of course, it's for business administration, but ethics and values, it's something very fundamental. And traveling around and seeing those experiences and learning is something critical too.
It's given them a much deeper understanding of the culture and the context and the history, and to reflect on the projects that they did. People were just blown away that the NGOs had used the recommendations, so the students could really genuinely feel the impact that they'd had.
I think the feedback was a highlight to us at Innovation.
Just finding out that the team has actually implemented and are still implementing some of our recommendations made me feel really excited and to be part of Innovation for the Blind.